antibacterial soap for our hands, antimicrobial cleanser for surfaces. And during COVID, Americans certainly upped their germ cleansing game. But is there such a thing as too clean?
What we're seeing right now is definitely there is an uptick in both food and environmental allergies.
Dr. Stephen Denitz is a pediatric allergist at Nemours Children's Hospital and gives talks about the long-running hygiene hypothesis.
So the hygiene hypothesis is a theory that with cleaner environments, antibacterial soaps, that we are not getting exposed to the appropriate levels of allergens in the environment.
That means, especially for kids, their systems don't have a chance to fight germs and build immunity. But is there a link between antibacterial cleaning, especially during COVID, and kids' desensitization to germs and allergens?
I definitely think it's a valid concern.
For now, Dr. Denitz tells parents to let kids be kids and not allow a fear of germs to keep them from playing and interacting with others.
So that way they can have the normal reactions to things in their environment.
I'm Marty Salt reporting.